Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start hot. Preheat the grill high to burn carbon and loosen grime. This makes scraping effective. While it's hot, put on gloves so you can work safely. Once the surface is charred, shut the grill, remove the grates, and immediately scrape with a stainless steel brush. Apply firm, even strokes to lift debris. If stubborn spots persist, smear a paste of baking soda and water. The mild alkali helps break bonds without harming steel. Make sure to work both sides. Once pre-scraped, place grates in hot, soapy water to dissolve oils and loosen baked-on residue. You'll see grime lift after 30 to 60 minutes. Then scrub with a non-abrasive pad or a nylon brush. Use stainless-approved steel wool only if the finish tolerates it, because aggressive abrasion can create pits that trap food. Rinse thoroughly with hot water to remove soap and particles. Make sure to check for stubborn black spots. Repeat soaking and scrub. You finish by drying grates thoroughly. Wipe them and heat the grill briefly to ensure no moisture remains, because rust starts where water lingers. Next, apply a thin coat of oil. 1 to 2 teaspoons spread with a cloth will season the surface and reduce sticking. If you encounter surface rust or tiny pits, sand gently with fine grit paper, clean, and reseason. However, if the metal is flaking or structurally weak, replace the grates. One key troubleshooting tip: persistent rust usually means replacement is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.